Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Azza and Ares Auto. Today we are handling an key loss situation for a 2009 Toyota mattress. I've gotten the key cut, so I generated two chips. It's a 4D chip, quite alright, but I wasn't sure. It's a 4D chip, quite alright. So we needed two master to make a key. As you can see, turn the ignition on. Gonna start the car. So we're going to place one of the chip on the key. Automatic selection, red vein. You must start a scan. The error code we have there. No communication with immobilizer system. What? No communication with immobilizer system. 2996. Okay. Let's erase it and see. This function will clear keys. You need to key at least one master among them. Resetting complete. Now you have to learn two master keys. So what you're going to do, we'll take this thing off, we'll put it on, and we'll wait for 5 seconds. Okay. Put it on. Then we'll take out this one. Put the second one. Second one. me take it out. Then we'll go with the first one. I will turn the ignition on and off. So the security light has gone up, so we can actually start the car. So the car started. That's the first one has been. Actually, the customer is just one key he wants done. I just did the two to help me conclude my job, the two chip. Now we have the key program for this car. We are going to try and program the remote for the car. We have this key program. Look at the security light is blinking. It's off, so it's programmed. But the remote is not programmed yet. So I'm going to try to program the remote. So, of course, as I suspected, this will require a manual programming procedure. So we have to program the remote manually. But the remote function is here to be programmed. So we are going to program the remote function. We are going to do an onboard process. Basically, insert the key twice, shut the door twice, insert it once, shut it twice again, insert it, close the door, on and off, take out the key. The door will cycle. You press your lock and unlock button for about 3 seconds. Then you press your lock or unlock button once. It should program. So we are going to do this sequence. Since I might likely use both hands, I will position my camera in a way I maybe could see. So we'll go. Press for 3 seconds. So it has been programmed now. Complete the programming process. It's locked. Unlock. Yeah. So you can see lock, unlock. So programming process is completed. You can start the key, you can start the car, and we can unlock. This is Autel IM508. Kindly subscribe, like, and share my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.